Alright guys, welcome back. Here we are once again, back out in the shed. So a little bit's been happening since I did my last video. So it's been, what, a good week or just under a bit now. So as you'll see, we've been going across the whole body on the car, wet rubbing it back and getting the panels nice and straight, finding the highs and lows that are amongst the bodywork. There's quite a few, so it's not too bad. It's good to find them now and then move forward towards the high fill primer stages, and then obviously the aim is to try and get this body as straight as possible. So just been going across the body. As you can see, all the doors are now off and we've been working through some of the hanging panels. So I'll spin the camera around and we can get into it.
Not bad. Come out alright.
Alrighty, just thought I would wrap the video up, do a little bit of a talk of what's been happening. So it's been a bit of a rush the last couple of days. I didn't think that I was going to get the priming done this week, so I've laid that on this afternoon and smashed that out. Just wanted to go inside, got some dinner, washed up, and come outside now, and all the panels have flashed off really nice, not too peely. I wanted to lay it on fairly thick just to build it up a bit. Had it coming out at the start probably a little bit too thin, so I've adjusted the fan blade and got that coming out nice as well, and started to lay on towards the end really well. I'll spin the camera around and we'll have a little bit of a look. So all those panels now looking sweet. Only thing really left is the bonnet, which I wanted to touch on later. It's got some holes I might weld up, but the inside of the boot mainly is so smooth. I could probably lay paint straight over that. Super happy how that's come out. Don't know if you'll pick it up on camera. Towards the end, that paint started to come out really good, but I did get low when I got towards this door. Started doing the bottom section probably before the top that I'd like, and did run out of 2-pack primer, so I need to get some more of that anyway, as you can just start to see some of the old paint or epoxy and fill it underneath, so that's all good. I'll get some other primer as we need more anyway, but bloody wrapped, it's come out good. Starting to get somewhere now, and I'm not a painter, I'm not a panel beater, but just out here having a go, trying to do my absolute best. It's not going to be anything fancy. This car is not going to be a show car by any means, but I mean, I guess I've got some kind of standard that I would like to see the car done to. So anyway, pushing forward, we're going to try and get as much done as we can this week. Hopefully by the end of the week, maybe have the body shell in primer as well. So today is Tuesday night, so you will see this video this week, and hopefully maybe by the weekend there might be another video. It's just the work that goes into it, and then getting all the footage removed from the GoPro, and then doing the editing. Obviously takes a lot of time, so doing my best, starting to get somewhere now, and I'm getting pretty keen to get towards getting some color on the car. So and now it is beer time, as I'm bloody stuffed, and thanks to all you guys that have been tuning into the channel, getting behind it and supporting it. Absolutely appreciate it. So we'll see you all on the next one. Cheers.